Hey guys, Jessica here again. Today I have kind of a special video to show you guys. At first I was not planning on showing it because it's kind of a fail. But I thought about it and I realized that I want to be as real as I can with you guys, so if something really didn't work out, I want to show you as well. The tutorial was to do 2 French braids from the top all the way down, to sleep on it, and the next day you take it off and your hair is magically, beautifully, curly, wavy, whatever. But I have kind of special hair. My hair is very thick, and because it's been processed with bleach, it's kind of on the dry side, and I guess the texture doesn't always work as it should. So maybe for someone it'll work, but it did not work for me. What did work was the toning mask that I did after I showered, and that is why my hair looks kind of on the ashy side, because it was turning pretty yellow and orange. So if you want to see a tutorial on how I made that with 2 easy ingredients, it will be linked somewhere. So if you're interested in seeing that big fail, just keep watching. All you have to do to get this hairstyle is rock some braids like these. I did it for a whole night because I thought it would settle in and make it a little bit more wavy slash curly, so let's take a look. So it's easy waves, and on to the other side. You can tell my crown here is getting oily because I haven't washed it because I was wearing the braid. But I will go put on some dry shampoo and maybe a headband, and I'll be right back. Okay, I put in the dry shampoo. My hair is looking a little bit crazy, so in order to tame it, I grab my water spray. And this little coconut oil conditioner. You can put any conditioner really, or anything that will really just help your hair get some moisture so it's not all crazy. I have really thick hair, and the best way to get products in there I find is to wet it, so hopefully it'll tame it down a little bit. And scrunch it in. And I grabbed my little denim headband, similar to the one that I made in a previous video. So I will tie it at the top of my head. It looks like a mess, doesn't it? It doesn't always work, but that's because my hair is very stubborn. I don't know. But if you want to get some crazy hair like this, I recommend doing the French braids at night and then taking them off in the morning. If your hair is different than mine, it'd probably work a little bit better, but you will get waves slash curls. So that hair tutorial was a total fail. And this is what my hair looks like at the end of the day. So I'm gonna go shower and hope to try something different because, yeah, it wasn't really working.